We are proud of our production site in Düsseldorf being awarded for our progress towards sustainability and digitalization. We have a strong focus to become a climate-positive company. That's why we contribute actively to climate protection. We realize continuous improvements to reduce our environmental footprint, strongly supported by our digital transformation journey. Also, we change our remaining energy consumptions to renewable sources by using renewable electricity and biogas. Our factory in Düsseldorf is leading the way on our journey to become climate positive.